Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook taro stem. First, select fresh, firm stems. You'll need to peel off the tough outer fibrous layer using a vegetable peeler or a small knife. Then, cut the stems into manageable pieces, typically about 2 to 3 inches long. A crucial step is to soak these cut pieces in a bowl of salted water for at least 30 minutes. This helps significantly reduce any potential itchiness from the oxalates present in the plant, making them safe and pleasant to eat. Once prepared, there are several delicious ways to cook taro stems. You can boil them in lightly salted water until they are tender, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, after boiling, you can sauté them with your favorite aromatics, such as minced garlic and ginger, for a quick side dish. They also make a fantastic addition to stews or curries, absorbing the rich flavors beautifully. Always ensure they are thoroughly cooked to eliminate any remaining irritants. To elevate the flavor of your cooked taro stems, seasoning is key. Start with a simple combination of salt and freshly ground black pepper. A squeeze of lime juice or a splash of vinegar can add a bright, acidic counterpoint. For a more complex profile, consider incorporating spices like turmeric, cumin, or a pinch of chili powder. If you prefer a creamy texture, cooking them in coconut milk or a touch of cream works wonderfully. Finish with fresh herbs like cilantro for a vibrant garnish. Taro stems are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. They make an excellent side dish alongside grilled fish or roasted chicken, offering a unique texture. You can also toss them into a vibrant vegetable stir-fry for an added layer of flavor and substance. Pairing them with steamed rice or other grains creates a satisfying and complete meal. Remember, always taste a small piece after cooking to confirm that all itchiness has been removed, ensuring a delightful culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.